In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start earning your first dollars online by recommending products that are free, and I'm pretty sure that you already know. Hey, hello, my name is Ina Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs, and I'm here online on YouTube sharing information 100% based on my experience. As I told you before, I'm going to show you how you can start earning by following simple steps. But I have to be honest with you guys, this is not something that is going to be happening overnight. This is not something that is going to be suddenly happen. You need to watch the entire video, but most importantly, you need to be consistent with the implementation. So now let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page and that I'm going to be sharing you all the information. As I told you before, we are going to be sharing two things. The first is that you are going to be recommending other people products and services, but popular products. That's the key here. Products that people already know and they're looking for a specific type of information. The first one is with Canva. You can go and you can become a Canva affiliate. Okay, what does affiliate means is that you're going to be promoting other people products and services. Right now they do have what they call the Canvassador program. Everybody can join it. Okay, and if you speak more than one language, definitely this is one for you. Okay, so you can be part of this. Okay, the Canva program, which is on Impact. You can actually get more information about it. Okay, so you can go on TikTok because we need eyeballs and a great way in which we can become viral, but most importantly, that we're going to be getting eyeballs from people who are already looking what we are offering. It's on TikTok. Here on TikTok, you can find for Canva tutorials. As you can see, they do have different types of tutorials and you can replicate this. Okay, so you can see that there are similar searches here, like people who are looking how they can start using Canva, Canva for beginners, and these are not long videos. And these are actually extremely popular and people are going viral, as you can see here. This is stuff like it. And a lot of people are actually loving this and watching these type of videos. Okay, so you can go and you can create an account like this one. This is simple as Canva and social media. It's all about Canva. As you can see, it has over 400,000 followers, and it's literally doing simple videos. And you don't have to overcomplicate things. You can see this one and this one and this one, in which this person is literally recording what they're doing on the screen. Okay, it's doing that. It's literally recording what they're doing on screen, and you can actually do that as well. Okay, so you can actually replicate these type of tutorials if there are cool things that you know on Canva. Okay, you can do this, and here on the top, okay, you are going to be able to put your special link here on the top. You're going to be able to do that. Okay, if you don't have 1,000 followers on Canva, on TikTok, because that's a requirement, you can create an Instagram account, and here on Instagram, you can literally put your link from day one. Okay, you can literally put your link here from day one, and you're gonna have the opportunity to share your special link, so people are gonna watch the video. You can tell them like, hey, if you don't have a Canva account, consider using my link to open it. It's 100% free. And you know that Canva have like monthly plans and yearly plans and different plans. Okay, so you can actually earn money with that. Okay, so this is actually with Canva, but there is another a program that you can actually join as well, which is with Fiverr. I'm pretty sure that you already know that you're gonna have the opportunity to create a free Fiverr account and offer what they call a gig, which is a small task that you can do, and you can be earning money that way. But what if you can recommend other people's tasks? Okay, they're gonna be doing their job, they're gonna be delivering the service, and you are gonna be earning money. That's how this affiliate program is actually working. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So here on Fiverr, you can go and you can find the Fiverr affiliate program. As I told you before, you're gonna get paid, and other it's gonna be doing the gig. Okay, they have different type of partnerships, to put it that way, in which you can actually be able to earn between 25% to 100%. How is actually possible? Because of the programs that they do have. For example, they have the marketplace gig. Okay, you're gonna have the opportunity to earn 25% of the first order, and after that, for the next 10 months, you're gonna be earning 10%. They have what they call the pro service. There's a small label that says pro service. Okay, and for that, you're going to be earning 70% of the first order, and after that 10%. But if you are teaching people, different things about, solving them, helping them how they can actually do the logo and all the stuff, here you're going to get paid $30 or the 100%, okay, which is $30. And after that, you're going to be earning 10% of future orders, okay? And you can actually go and do exactly the same principle. You can go to TikTok. You can find, in this case, I make a quick search, and actually I misspell Fiverr. You can actually type like Fiverr for beginners, and you're going to see that people are actually sharing a lot of ways in which you can actually use Fiverr, and you can actually be earning money with it. So you don't have to worry, as I told you, like you don't have to be in front of camera. If you don't want to be in front of camera, you can do it this way, still 100% faceless. So if you want to promote more than one thing, because for example here he has Canva social media, okay, you can go and you can create a free link with Linktree. Okay, here on Linktree you can actually open a free account. This is actually my dashboard. Okay, and you can actually go here where it says links. You're gonna see that I do have several links. You can actually add it here, and you can actually paste your link with a little description. Okay, with a little description. And remember that is, you don't have like 1,000 followers on TikTok, and I know it sounds like a lot, but it's actually really easy to grow on TikTok. You can actually connect your Instagram. You're gonna put here your link. Okay, you're gonna paste it here, and you're gonna type a small description with the link and all the stuff. So this is the link in my case. This is gonna be my link. Okay, that I'm gonna be putting on my social network on TikTok and on Instagram as well. And a pro hack is that same video that you're posting on TikTok, you can nowadays put it on Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. So you're gonna have 4 opportunities to earn money, and on all of them you can actually put your special link. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.